Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I hope you guys have been keeping well and I hope the trading has been going good. So as usual, let's jump straight into the chart. So it is a new month. We're coming into December, so the markets will definitely be slowing down going into the festive, but we can still look for opportunities and we can still make money. So let's jump straight into it. So looking at Nasdaq on the monthly time frame, we can see that Nasdaq has been dropping, and if we look at further evidence on the charts, we can see that we do have two possible areas where Nasdaq might drop into. Okay, so I do believe we'll still have a slightly lower push. Okay, you can see we do have this fair value gap here, and we do have this fair value gap here, and the furthest I'm expecting it to drop is obviously to this level here. So for now, let's just focus at what we can expect the monthly candle to do. So in that way we can sort of predict our next move. Okay, we can anticipate what the next move will be. So if you believe that Nasdaq will be heading for the previous month's low before maybe reversing, so you can expect price to drop to take out that sell side liquidity before reversing. So let's just head down to the weekly time frame and see what we can expect here. So yeah, the same thing. So I'm just going to keep this level here because I'm definitely expecting lower prices on Nasdaq. So let me just put an eyeball there because that level will be important. We can use that sell side liquidity as a target, or you can use that as an entry point. Okay, so if Nasdaq presents you with an opportunity below that sell side liquidity and everything lines up, then yeah, you can most definitely engage within the market. Now if you look at the daily time frame, let me just move this here. Yeah, so looking at the daily time frame, we can see that we are almost close to the sell side liquidity. However, if you look above that, we do have a sub right here. All right, so price might want to fill that in before heading lower, so we might get a few long opportunities within the week to close in the sub here, right, before heading lower. Okay, or if price decides to just drop lower, and then I'll be looking for long opportunities below this level. So for me to engage in any shorting opportunities, I will wait for price to first push up before looking for shorts, right? The same with my long opportunities. I will be looking for price to first drop before looking for any longs. All right, so let's just see what we have on the 4-hour. So yeah, you can also see that if you see that how price has been dropping, right, where price closed in on this imbalance here, okay, and price also taking out the buy side liquidity above this high, and closing in on that imbalance, and then price continuing its decline. Okay, so we can expect price to do the same thing within this region here, and we can see if price presents it with anything. Okay, but if price continues going higher, we can most definitely look for these highs, okay, as objectives. So you want to keep that in mind. Okay, if price decides to go higher, but I doubt that will happen. Like I said, I am expecting price to push up, okay, before taking out the low that we have marked out on the monthly time frame. Okay, so if we get any long opportunities, we can use this as your target, or you can target the imbalance here if price presents you with a long opportunity tomorrow or Tuesday. Okay, let's just head down to the 1 hour and see what we can expect here. Alright, so we can see here on the 1 hour price has left these nice equal highs here, so that level will definitely be key. But am I willing to go long from there where price is at the moment? No. I'll rather wait for price to drop, okay, to this level here, right, before looking for longs, and or I'll be waiting for price to take out this low here. Alright, so I would prefer price to clear all the sell side liquidity here, okay, before looking for long opportunities. Alright, so these highs look interesting, so I definitely see price sweeping above those highs. Okay, like I said, in order for us to go long, we need price to drop first. Alright, and same with the shorts. In order for us to go short, we need price to push up first before looking for any long. So that's where the buy low and sell high comes in. Alright, so I don't think the 15-minute is, I use that for intraday, so I won't be analyzing much on here. But for those of you that do, alright, we can use this as price taking out sell side liquidity. Alright, however, it would be ideal if we can take out this high and then drop, but we can only react on price, and this fair value gap here, right, looks interesting to go long on. Alright, so what I would do is I'll wait for price to drop in here and then scale down maybe to 5-minute or anything lower than that, and wait for price to push higher, okay, and wait for a drop to sweep that low. Or if price fails, then I'll definitely wait for price to take out its short-term high, alright, on that lower time frame, and then wait for another drop, alright, into a fair value gap or order block or whatever you look for, and then I would look for these highs to get run out. Okay, so in this smaller time frame, I will be looking for a similar move that you see here, in terms of price sweeping a short-term low. Alright, so you can also have, if you trade your QMs, you can have a QM here that you can identify within this region, alright, which also qualifies because we did take out the sell side liquidity here. Alright, but like I said, if price decides to drop lower, I'll be looking for this type of move, all right, underneath this sell side liquidity here. But if this is the, how can you put it, if this is the real sweep of the sell side liquidity, then I'll be just expecting this move within this POI here. Okay, so that's all that I see for now on Nasdaq. All right, so I will keep you guys updated on the community tab on my YouTube channel, so be sure to subscribe, share the channel, and I'll keep you guys updated with the charts so that we can identify the opportunities in the market and capitalize on that. But nevertheless, I hope this video was insightful, and let's see what the market has in store. All right, so don't expect too much, right, because you know it is approaching the holiday season, so yeah, markets won't be as volatile going into that season. But if there's an opportunity, we have to take it. Okay, so until the next video, I'll talk to you guys again. Have a blessed night, be safe, and good luck with the rest of your trading week. Cheers.